Hey everyone, Michael here. Here are the most important support levels this week for Bitcoin so you guys can avoid the next big crash. Normally, after a major crash, after we've broken down, we tend to consolidate for at least a few weeks here. However, if the market is looking too bad, too rough, and you think we might be falling down again, here are the most important support levels you guys need to be focused on here, okay? The first one is going to be the 3-to-1 and the 4-to-1 Ganfan levels at the 20,150 level. If we break down below this, this is going to be a catastrophe. Why is this, you may ask? Here's why. If we break down and close down below the Ganfan support and the 200 weekly moving average, that will mean that our next cluster of support and next buying opportunity will be when Bitcoin is between $14,700 and $17,851. That does mean, guys, if you go long now without a stop loss, you could see a loss of over 25% with Bitcoins, and with altcoins, it could get much, much worse. So I want you guys to really keep in focus here. 20,100, that's going to be the level. If we break down below those Ganfans, guys, all is going to be over. We're going to have another crash. But hopefully before that actually occurs, we can consolidate for a few more days here at least, set up a pattern. So if you guys want to short this sucker down and make some good money, that will be your opportunity.